So, we're done with making our GitHub query application lifecycle aware. Or are we? We've left out an important edge case. What happens if the device is rotated while the network transaction is going on? When we destroy and recreate an activity, the application continues to run. That means that all of the threads that were running continue to merrily process away. In the case of our GitHub query app, it delivers the result of the query to a zombie activity that has gone away, and the activity is left empty. But it's even worse in the current version of Sunshine. In Sunshine, we create our async task in the onCreate method of our activity. It starts a thread which begins a background task. If we rotate the device, or do something else, which causes the activity to be restarted, the new activity will create another async task to do the background operation. There will be extra network usage as both threads run in parallel, and it will take a longer time for the user to see the result of the load. Even worse, because those background threads ultimately deliver their result to a callback that's part of the activity, those async tasks actually keep all of those old zombie activities around as long as the threads are running, causing extra memory pressure. Enter Loaders to solve this problem. They've been a part of Android since Honeycomb, and were added to the support library so they are available on any useful Android release. Loaders provide a framework to perform asynchronous loading of data. They're registered by ID with a component called the Loader Manager, which allows them to live beyond the lifecycle of the activity they are associated with, preventing duplicate loads from happening in parallel. If we want to load data on a background thread, we can use an implementation of the loader pattern called AsyncTaskLoader. The AsyncTaskLoader implements the same functionality as AsyncTask, but because it's a loader, its lifecycle is different. With an AsyncTaskLoader, once we rotate the device, the loader manager will make sure that the running loader is connected to the AsyncTaskLoader equivalent of onPostExecute, the onLoadFinished function. The loader thread keeps running in the loadInBackground function, and once it finishes, the activity gets notified through onLoadFinished. Lifecycle problem solved.